A shipping company has two different sizes of boxes. Both boxes are cubes. The first box has a side length of 4 inches. The second box has a side length of 6 inches. So you have a box that is 4. You have a box that is going to be a little, and by the way, these are cubes, which means all the sides are the same. This guy's going to be a little bit bigger at 6. That's my drawing ability. Hannah claims that the volume of the second box is 8 cubic inches greater than the volume of the first box because the difference of the side lengths is 2 inches, and 2 to the third power equals 8. Which statement could be used to show that Hannah's claim is not correct? Well, what's going to happen here is the volume of each box should be determined individually by raising each side length to the power of 3. So it's not that it's 2 more, it's the fact that this guy's volume, the small guy's volume, is going to be 4 to the third, and this guy's volume, the larger one, is going to be 6 to the third. This is not a difference of 8. This is not the same thing as saying, oh, well, that's going to be the same as 2 to the third. So this is no good. So the volume of 2 to the third is 6, not 8. Well, that's actually not true because it is 8. The value of 6 minus 4 to the third is equal to 6 to the third minus 4 to the third. That's not true. This is a lie. You can't do that because PEMDAS says you do everything inside the parentheses first, so B is a lie. The difference in the volumes is actually 6 to the third minus 4 to the third, which is what I said, which is 152, not 8, so C seems to make sense. And the difference in the volumes is actually 6 times 6 squared minus 6 times 4 to the second power. That makes U no longer a cube. That's assuming that you have a different side length of 6, so it can't be D. So kind of a tricky problem, but the only one that really seems to make sense here is C.